Hey guys, this is Kofi from thenomadempire.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a website from scratch in 5 simple and easy steps. Alright, so the first step is to get our domain name. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, all you have to do is scroll down and then click on Get Started, and it's going to send you on this specific page. So on this page, just go down until you see Find Your Domain, and then you're going to enter the domain that you want. So I already picked a domain name. So all I have to do is click Search, and it's going to tell me if this domain name is available. All right, so now that I just selected my domain name, I have to get a hosting. So for those that don't know, a hosting is basically where your file for your website are going to be stored, and the domain name is like the name of your business. Make sure to click on one of those two links, because not only you're going to get a 60% discount when you get your hosting, but also when you select a annual plan, you're going to get a free domain name with that. So all you have to do is click Buy Now. And then I'm going to put the domain name that I just selected. And as you can see, I have a free domain name, but that is because I'm selecting a 3-year plan. So you can either choose 12 month, 24 or 36 month. I highly recommend the 36 month. And once you select the plan, all you have to do is fill out those information, and then you scroll down, select, and check out. Okay, so now that you have your hosting and your domain name, you're going to be directed to this page right here, which is your dashboard with HostGator. So all you have to do is select the hosting package that you have. In my case, because I have a lot, I'm going to click on View More to select the recent package that I just purchased, which is with this one. And I'm going to click on Manage. And then I will select Install WordPress. Now, all I have to do is click on Install Now. And it's going to ask me to name the website, so I can change it for the name of my website. And then it's going to ask me to create a username and a password. Make sure it's something that is very confidential and very secure to you. And also create an email address that you can be reached at if there is any problem with your website, or if you forget your password, that you can use to reset your password. Once this is done, come back up and then click on Install. Okay, so now that your WordPress is installed, you can simply come back to this window and click WordPress Manager and then Login. Or you can simply type your website.com/login to actually have access to your WordPress or your website back office. So it's going to look like this. All you have to do is put in your username, your password, and then login. Now, once you see this right here, it means that your website is online, it's live. All you have to do is click Visit Site. And this is the default website. This is how your website looks like by default. So all you have to do is install a template, a design. So this brings us to the 4th step, which is how to install a design for your website. All you have to do is go back to our first page, click on Get Website Templates, and then select the first one. Then scroll down. And here you can see all the different design that you will have, that you can have for your website. So for example, this one, if I click Live Demo, as you can see, this is how your website is going to look like. So all I have to do is click on Download, and then Free Downloads. You can choose to put your email or not. If you decide to not put your email, all you have to do is click on Thanks. Then once it's downloaded, go back to your website in Appearance, Themes, then Add New, then Upload Theme, choose File, and we're going to select the theme that we just downloaded, and then Install Now. So once the installation is completed, you're going to see this message right here. All you have to do is click on Activate. And then we're going to go to Still Appearance, Nib Options, then Starter Site, click and activate. Then we're going to select Elementor, and then we're going to import one of the design that we like. So I'm going to choose the first one. All I have to do is click on Import, and then we don't change anything here. Just click on Import Site. So once the importation is done, this is to view your new website. All you have to do is click on View Website. So this is how our new website is looking like. Now for the next step, we're going to edit the pages. So in order to edit a page, all I have to do is click on Edit with Elementor. Then let's say I want to change this text right here. All I have to do is click on the text, and then I can write whatever I want. And then update. Let's say I want to change this right here. Once again, I click on it, and then type whatever I want. If I want to change the link, all I have to do is put the link that I want right here. And if I want to change this image right here, all I have to do, click on the image, select the image, and I can select this one. And that's it. I just changed the image on my website. Now, let's say from this page, I want to add a new page. All I have to do is click on here and then exit that to dashboard. Then once I'm here, click on the WordPress logo. Then in the pages section, I have to click on Add New. Actually, I could have clicked on that, but still. Add New, and then Edit with Elementor. Then once I'm here, I'm going to click on the file. And I'm going to choose the template for the page that I want. So I'm going to choose a random page and click on Insert. Now, if it's the first time, it's going to ask you to create an account with Elementor. But in case it doesn't, no problem. So this is the template that I have right here. So let's say I want to change this image. Same thing, click on the image, change it. If I want to change this right here, click on it, and that's how you can change pretty much. Also create any page that you would like for your website. So now I'm going to show you how to edit this section right here, which is called the header, which has the logo and your navigation menu. So once again, from this page, go back to the top left and then exit to dashboard. And from here, click on view pages, so the WordPress logo. And we're going to come back to appearance and customize. So from here, we should be able to customize few stuff on our page. So the first here is if we hover on the logo, you will see the pencil that is here. So click on that. And From here, all you have to do is change logo, and you can select pretty much anything that you want. I'm not going to change it. If you want to change the navigation menu, same thing. So go over that, click on it once you see the pencil. So click on that. And then from here, we're going to select primary menu. Then here you have the different type of menu that are on your website. But I'm going to click on edit menu. And from here, I have the different stuff that appear on my menu. So what I want to do, for example, if I want the about page to come back below this, all I have to do is drag and drop it like this. And once it updates, you will see that our about us is in the portfolio section, but that's not what I want to do. But let's say I want to change the about us. I want to change the name. So all I have to do is click on the arrow and then change to maybe about me. And that's it. It's going to also update here about me. Let's say I want to add a new item to this right here. So all I have to do is click on items, add items, and then I can select whether I want to add a page, a post on my website, or let's say something very specific. So in my case, I'm going to select add a page and then come back here. So here you can see this is a page that is actually on my website called sample page. But let's say there was something else that I wanted to add. So we are currently in the pages section. Let's say I want to add a specific link. All I have to do is put the link right here and then put special link just to show you, and then add to menu. So you will see what I just added. And if I want to remove something, all I have to do is click on remove. And this is how you will be able to edit the header. And it's also the same for the footer. So below your page here, all you have to do is click on the pencil and you will be able to edit the text that shows at the bottom of your page. If I want to add this section, edit this section, same thing, click on it. And once I'm done editing everything on my website, all you have to do is click on publish. So that is everything on how to edit a website in 5 simple steps. And I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you're ready to get started, scroll down below the video, put your domain name and follow the steps. And I will be seeing you in another video.